traditional finance companies looking at blockchain technology, initiatives that are being done in crypto and seeing what they can develop and adopt into traditional finance. Some of the really interesting things are, we still live in this, T+2 world. And, in crypto and blockchain thing, transactions, they really happen instantaneously and they settle instantaneously. So you're really in the T world. So I think that the improvements and changes that go on in crypto will speed up our processes on traditional finance.
Mhm.
I think what you're looking and you're seeing is a lot of traditional finance companies looking at blockchain technology and different, initiatives that are being done in crypto and seeing what they can develop and adopt into traditional finance. So, we're not so far away from a world where we get to T+1, I think. I don't think we'll ever get to T just because of the nature and complexity of things, but T+1 would be a great place to be.
And
Another thing is,
compliance, right? Compliance
yeah,
officers
and
still want to be able
compliance.
to say yes or no.
Yes. But, what's really interesting too, Frank, is, in the land of crypto and decentralized finance, we have the ability to trade asset for asset. And that's not something we can currently do in traditional finance. So, maybe in the future you could trade a share of your Apple stock for Amazon stock and not having to go from, Apple to cash to Amazon. In crypto, we can go from one crypto to another in one transaction and settle it instantaneously. So there's a lot of really neat and interesting things that are being done in the crypto sphere.
Can we unpack that for just a second? This is something that I found really fascinating whenever I was at one of the conferences fairly recently, and it was on the same line. And tell me if it's not on task, please let me know. But when I saw that, I think it was Franklin Templeton that launched I believe it might have been a money market fund, but basically they were using on-chain technology, and it wasn't that they were actually using crypto or buying crypto. They were actually using the Web3 technology in order to save money on execution and trading. Can you talk a little bit about that? Because I think that actually kind of fits in with what you're talking about here, right?
Yeah, look, I was at a conference at the New York Stock Exchange, ironically, of all places.
Hmm.
And it was a crypto conference talking with institutions about ways that they can use the technology to save money. One of the ways is, tokenizing these money market funds and the trading that they use and implementing that technology takes a lot of costs out of it. And also, the movement is just more fluid and you can see what wallets are holding which, assets in a much quicker, more transparent way.
Hey, thanks for watching The Merge. We've got a ton more stuff for you to watch on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok, everywhere. Check us out.